Here we go. Got a whoop out.
You can't really say it because it's complicated. It messes with the mouth. It's
tongue twister.
Yes.
All right. There's a cartoon. It sells chicken. It's a chicken restaurant. But olive oil is that's yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Sure.
It's the last day of the week.
Friday.
Yes, and it was
TGIF.
Yes. What are the words?
Thank God it's Friday.
Oh my goodness, you're good.
I can't walk because I have.
Broken leg.
No, I have.
You can't. You have two. You can't walk because you have high heels. No, you have sore feet. You can't walk.
I can't walk because I have.
You have tight pants. You have two. You're paralyzed.
What's this?
Your foot.
Yeah, well, I have.
Two left feet.
Yeah.
Oh! That's the strategy right there. That's the way to do it. Where are we going?
Where are we?
I
Come
go
on.
here?
I'm gonna be next to Judge.
All right.
Okay.
Here we go. All right. Oh my God. You're unbelievable, man. All right, here we go.
All right, we ready?
Ready.
We ready?
Dude,
I know.
I don't like to lose.
I know. I know you don't.
That's not gonna help you, man. You ready?
Yes, that just right there.
Oh,
we
you're
did help.
that type of
I'm
player?
that dude.
Okay.
I'm that dude. I'm that dude.
Okay, I got you.
I had to get rid of taboo in my house. I'm that dude. I start fights.
All right, here we go.
You ready?
Yep. All right.
All right.
Don't get nervous.
Big game. Football. 2 weeks.
Super Bowl.
Boom.
You're taking a picture and somebody jumps in.
Photobomb.
Oh. Very good.
Okay, this is not the beautiful swan, but the...
Black swan.
No,
Ugly
no, no.
swan.
Ugly...
Ugly duckling.
Yeah.
God.
You looking nervous. You looking shook.
Mix a lot.
Baby got back?
Yeah, two
No.
rounds.
Oh, Mr. T catchphrase.
Drop hit the fool.
Boom.
Oh, this is when you're in a game and you guys you knock your hands together.
Fist bump.
Yes!
Yes!
Okay, Wednesday is known as...
Hump day. Throw the money in the air.
Oh, nice. Making it rain.
Yes! Hey, you talking too fast. You need to don't
Slow down, you What was it?
Slow your roll.
Oh my God, that was the best round of the game I've ever played in my lifetime. Ever in the history of the show, ever. Oh my God.
Okay.
We got into the urban section. Slow your roll. Fist bumps. I'm like,
Make it rain?
yeah, make it rain.
What are you talking about?
What game is this?
All right, come on.
Family show, man.
Let's again.
Oh, you out in the yard with the kids?
Hula hoop.
This is when somebody just sits on the sofa all day and watches TV.
Potato.
That's right.
Okay. I don't have red nose, I have...
Red eye, pink eye.
Okay. If you come up with somebody and they're okay, second word. It's a type of dessert. It's flat. It has chocolate chips in it.
Chocolate chip cookie?
Or it's the last word.
Cookie?
Yes, the first one, not weak, but
A top cookie?
yes.
All right, I can't talk. My tongue.
Tongue.
Yes.
Oh, this is when somebody has a this is the chocolate.
Chocolate chip.
Oh, yeah.
Go back to the tape. 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 No, Playboy. It ain't raining today.
No, that's your replay.
You're the umbrella today, Jack.
No, we got this. We got this from the judges.
Yeah.
1-1, this.
Yeah.
But that was good. That was good. You got chocolate chip.
Yes.
This is it. Let's go. You start. Last
I
round.
start?
Whoever wins this wins everything. It's a chance forever.
I can't.
Oh, come on. You're great. You're great. You can do
I
it.
better get a good part.
So I start
Here we
this
go.
and then go.